student, in video number 1, we have learned all 4 types of noun. Now in video number 2, we will revise all 4 types of noun followed by homework. Open your notebook, write each sentence properly and followed as instructed. Okay. Children, in this video number 2, we will do some revision of nouns and its kind followed by homework. Students, everything that we see around has a name. We all have a name. So a noun is nothing but a word which are used to name a person, place, animal or thing. For example, Raju, boy, Delhi, cat, chair are all nouns. Let us see some examples in which we will identify the nouns. Example 1. My family lives in Dehradun. Family and Dehradun are both nouns. The dog is a faithful animal. Dog and animal are nouns. Anu sang a song. Anu and song are noun. A common noun is a common name for any person, place, animal or thing. For example, artist, playground, snake, telephone, mountain. Children, here you have to understand one thing. You have to remember a common noun do not begin with capital letter unless they start a sentence. Here are some examples of common noun like children, pigeon, clown, ship. Proper noun is a name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. Proper noun when written always begin with capital letter. This you have to remember, children. For example, Mumbai is a capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is a name of a particular city, so it is a proper noun. Maharashtra is a name of a state, so it is a proper noun. Now, second example, Taj Mahal is a historical monument. Now, Taj Mahal is a name of a particular monument, so it is a proper noun. Collective noun are names given to a group of people, animal or things. For example, a cluster of stars. The word cluster stands for collection of stars. Second example, a bundle of sticks. The word bundle stands for collection of sticks. Third example, a crowd of people. The word crowd stands for collection of people. Let us take some examples of collective noun. An army of soldiers, a flight of birds, a pack of wolves, a class of students. Taking more example of collective noun, a litter of puppies, a herd of cattle, a bunch of grapes, a flock of sheep. An abstract noun is a name of something that we can only think of, as sweetness, weakness, pity, hope, childhood, honesty, sleep. Thus, the name of a quality, action, state or condition which only exists in our mind but we cannot see or touch is called an abstract noun. For example, happiness, sorrow, beauty, kindness. Dear student, here are some home assignment for you. Take your notebook and copy down the exercise and answer as per instruction given. Pick out common noun in the following sentences. First one, postman brings us our letters. The dog ran after the thief. Ants are always busy. Fill in the blanks with collective nouns. First one, and dash of soldiers. A dash of wolves. a dash of grapes. Here is a poem, Jack and Jill, which you have already learned. In this poem, you have to underline the proper noun. The poem is as follows. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Underline the abstract noun in the following sentences. Childhood is a period of joy. Never tell a lie. Wisdom is better than strength. Let us play a game. Box A has common noun. Box B has matching proper noun. Pick the correct pair and write them in the lines given below. Box A, girl, month, day, festival, country, dog, city, planet, language, river. Now these are all common noun. Now you have to match with the proper noun. In a box B, proper noun is given. English, Preeti, Nepal, March, Nagpur, Saturn, Moti, Godavari, Tuesday, Eid. Children, first one is already done for you. Girl. Girl is a common noun. Now here the name of the girl is Preeti. Okay, now rest all of you will do. Children, we have studied nouns, types of nouns. Hope you all have understood very well. Stay home, stay safe during this COVID-19 pandemic period. Thank you, children.